Fraunhofer USA Laser Applications Division can build customized laser processing systems which are capable of automatically changing tools for different processes. This machine, which was built for aerospace applications, is able to switch between 5 different laser processes using an automatic tool changer. Fraunhofer's coax powder nozzle technology provides powder metal deposition in any direction for cladding and additive manufacturing. Side axis wire feed uses cold and hot wire and can be used for cladding or additive manufacturing. Fraunhofer's coaxial wire technology allows deposition of filler wire in any direction for additive manufacturing. The proprietary Emax camera is also used for process monitoring and control. This unique system is also capable of switching between 2 different laser sources using both IPG fiber and laser line diode laser technology. Behind the scenes, the system uses PLC controllers to handle communication between the robot and the numerous lasers, processing devices, and accessories. Fraunhofer USA Laser Applications Division remains the industry leader in the development and accessibility of this technology for our customers' requirements and end uses.